Growing up, one of my happiest moments, like many children, was visiting the village. The village was comfortable, the village was peaceful, the village was home. It was where culture thrived and stories came alive. Every visit came with exciting adventures, climbing trees, eating sweet organic fruits, playing in rivers, playing endlessly with cousins. But beneath all this joy, there was one painful problem. I could not speak my native language. I watched my cousins tell stories I couldn't understand. They laughed at jokes that meant nothing to me. Even though I was home, I felt like an outsider. Sadly, I know I am not alone. Many Nigerians, especially Tyap natives, share this same experience. I tried over and over again to learn the Tyap language, but my efforts failed. Why? Because many people of my generation either weren't interested in teaching it or, sadly, no longer speak it themselves. And that leads me to a question that won't let me rest. Should our languages be allowed to die a silent, tragic death? Should our children grow up disconnected from their mother tongue, the very core of their identity? I hear your loud and clear no. And that is why I am not here to mourn what we've lost. I am here to share some good news. There is hope. The Tyap Wikimedian User Group is committed to preserving and promoting the Tyap language and other sister Nenzit languages such as Ju, Hiam, Adara, Izere, and many more. Through research, documentation, and community engagement, we are preserving these beautiful languages. Now you might ask, where do I fit in? The answer is simple. You belong here. If you are a speaker, you can help teach, document, and pass the language forward. If you are a non-speaker but passionate about culture, learning, and open knowledge movement, you can join, learn, and contribute meaningfully to the growth of the Nenzit language through Wikimedia projects. And if you're wondering, what exactly are the Nenzit languages? Watch out for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into these languages and uncover fascinating facts about our rich Nigerian heritage. This is more than language. This is culture, history, and pride. Join us. Let's keep our voices alive.